Hey, Sakafet YouTube. Have you ever wondered where do people get their Haitian music from? Especially if you want to do mixes like this, or even like that. Well, look no further. Today I'm going to tell you and show you where you can get your Haitian music from to do mixes. This video will be a little bit longer. I will leave the chapters down below. While you down there, make sure you like this video. Leave a comment to where you get your Haitian music from. I mean, you're already down there, you might as well subscribe. You see that little button down there? You might as well hit it too. Let's get into it. This video will be divided in a few sections. DJ pools, streaming platforms, and then the old school way that people used to get Haitian music from. So now, before we even get started and get into the computer, let's just talk about the old school way, which I do not recommend for any of you guys to do at all. But this is one of the ways that people used to go and get songs back in the day to do their mixes. Now, back in the day, a lot of people, what they used to do is go on YouTube, type in the name of the songs that they want or needed, and then they go to a third-party website or something different to look for the MP3 version of that song and trying to get it this way. Now, the problem with that method is that you get in very low quality music. Once you put the volume all the way up, it's going to sound muddy and other people can hear it. You may not be able to hear it behind the booth, but most definitely other people can hear it. It doesn't sound clear. The second thing is, you also not helping the artists who took the time to create this type of music for you to like. And by you downloading the music like that, you're not helping the community at all. So that's one of the reasons, again, I do not recommend it. The positive is, if you do have it, you can have it on your flash drive, on your computer, on your laptop, whatever you're using to DJ with. And you can share this song and multiple devices, multiple people, and all of that. That's the only good thing about it, that you can share it, you can have it for yourself. Now, we're going to move over to DJ Pool, which is one of the ways that I usually download different type of music. Afro beats, amapiano, all of that stuff. Like I said, what is a DJ Pool? You pay a certain fee, a month or a year, you can have this type of music downloaded directly to your laptop or your computer. Now, you have to pay for you to get something like that. It's not free. Let's show you exactly how that works. Alright, so now we're on my computer. There are three main DJ pools that I usually rotate with. The first one, as you can see right now, it is called digitaldjpool.com. The second one I usually go to is DJCT. The third one I usually do is BPM Supreme. Now, we will talk a little bit about each one of those to tell you. But the main thing that I want to show you is that the problem that we have as Haitians or Haitian DJs and stuff like that, we cannot find Kompa. So let me type in Kompa. The music that's popping up is not stuff that we are actually listening to. And as you can see, this one has maybe 10, 15 songs. So it doesn't work for us, Haitian DJs. Now let me do a second search so you guys can see what I'm talking about. We find different remixes, we find mashups. So we can find different type of music except the type of music that we want. So let's move over to DJCT. Let's search for Kompa the same way we did. Now with this one, we don't have a variety to choose from. So basically we cannot find Kompa like that. Unless you guys know most of these songs, let me know in the comment down below. Let's do BPM Supreme, which also have a big library of songs. Let's look for Kompa. Again, we can't find anything that's related to Haitian music. That's one of the issues we have. We can't get this type of music from a DJ pool. Now let's talk about streaming platforms. Three main streaming platforms that I usually use. One of them, SoundCloud. If you're familiar with SoundCloud, you know they got everything. They got mixes, they got remix, they got all kinds of stuff. So let's do the same thing and look for Kompa. I'm not even looking for different artists or anything like that. Off the bat, Kompa magazine just show up. Pierre Jean, Oswald, Joey Duetfile, obviously. Look, we have a variety of Kompa songs, and just so you know, let me play something so you know it actually works. And I'm gonna just go to a random one. Let's go to this one. Right away, we have the type of music we want. And this is SoundCloud. I will explain how the subscription works because it's about the same in all three of them. Now, most of you have Apple already, so if you open up your Apple Music, you can literally look for Kompa. Again, this different type of music showing up. Just like we found Kimunuye, let's look for Kimunuye. Kimunuye right here. Okay, this is the original Kimunuye, right? As you can hear, displaying properly. So again, this is Apple Music. The freshest, newest thing right now in all of the DJ platforms. If you was following this channel, you would see that I was talking about Spotify. Spotify been around for a very long time, obviously, but we was never able to mix within whichever DJ platform that you're using with Spotify. But as of few days ago, Spotify just got announced to be in all of the DJ platforms. So, if you watch the last video, you will see this is the playlist that we had created from Spotify. Let's look for the same song we've been looking for. Alright, this is the song Kimunuye right here. So now let me explain. Each one of those three that I just showed you guys, you have a different type of price that you pay a month for their premium account. Once you subscribe to their premium account, you able to play this type of music into your DJ software. Most of them have free accounts, but in order for you to DJ with them, you have to have a paid account. Let me know again in the comment down below if you want me to do a video comparing SoundCloud, Spotify, and Apple Music. So now let's talk about the pros and the cons of a streaming platform like SoundCloud, Spotify, and Apple Music. The pros of subscribing to one of these streaming platforms like this, they have millions and millions of Haitian songs. Almost every single artist that you can think of, you can search right here in either one of them. And the next biggest thing about it is higher quality. It's definitely higher quality once you subscribe to their pro versions of the app versus the old way that we just talked about. As you can see on these streaming platforms, we can find anybody that we needed. Now, the cons about this is you need to have Wi-Fi. You need to have some type of internet in order for you to start streaming. Either SoundCloud, Spotify, or Apple Music, you need internet for you to start streaming. The next con about this is that you can't download these songs to your hard drive or flash drive or even to your laptop. You can't share it to anybody. You can't just play them anywhere unless you have internet. Another con about streaming platform is that they don't allow you to use stems. Stems is basically where you can cut all of the sounds and just have the lyrics or the words, or vice versa, cut all the words and just have the instrumentals playing. The next biggest thing is they don't allow you to record. So those are the biggest thing for you to think about before you even get into a streaming platform. Now, just to recap, a handful of ways that you can actually get a Haitian music from, especially the right way. Obviously, everybody knows the best way is if you know the label, if you have a friend, if you know somebody, the artist himself, they send you a CD, even though there's no CD no more, but they send you the MP3 file. We don't have Haitian music on DJ Pools, so we can't just go and pay and just download this type of music. Now, what we have to do is stream it. We need to support the artist the best way that we possibly can. DJ, what's the best way that you get your music from? Leave it in the comment down below and let me know how you get your Haitian music and where do you get them from. Don't forget to like, share this video. There's a lot more DJ tips and tricks coming up every Wednesdays at 7 p.m. Don't forget to check out my mixes. 3 p.m. for DJ mixes every Fridays. If you do want to support this channel, hit the like button, drop a comment down below, and subscribe. Make sure you leave your notification bell on so you can hear every time I drop a video. It's either on Wednesdays or on Fridays I'm dropping a brand new video. But stay tuned. See you in the next one. Bye.